When I was a kid, I knew how to do the Naruto Shadow Bunshin like sequence. Hi everyone, it's finally here, almost 2 years later, the release of the next installment of Team Liquid's Naruto collab Keyset. A few years ago, we released the Akatsuki version that you see here right on my keyboard, and now we have Team Liquid by Naruto Sasuke to celebrate the 20th anniversary of the anime. Let's get into it. Okay, let's deep dive into the set itself. This is, of course, the second major brand collaboration between Team Liquid and Naruto, made into a key set to go alongside the fashion drop between the two brands. Looking at the box from the outside, you of course have Sasuke's outline here. This is the Sasuke edition of the set. Team Liquid by Naruto, produced here by Infinikey. You've got them on the sides, the Team Liquid logo on the short side, and the 20th anniversary of the animated series. The anime, this collection is celebrating that milestone for one of the most popular animated series of all time. Looking at the inside of the kit. To review kitting very quickly, these are of course cherry profile keycaps produced with dye sublimation, heat transfer printing. These are specifically for MX style switches on mechanical keyboards. So if you have an existing mechanical keyboard, you can switch out the caps that came with it, or if you're building a new keyboard, add these to your collection. You'll see a number of extra keys added here on especially the second tray of the kit. These are to provide compatibility for a wide array of mechanical keyboards. They'll fit anywhere from a standard 60% mechanical keyboard up to a full-size, compact full-size as well, with a number of variants. So that includes your 60%, 65, 75%, 10 keyless or TKL, and then a full-size keyboard. And it has compatibility for some of the more popular models out there on the market. Let's have a look at some of the design aspects of the key set. The first one that probably jumps out at you is the Sasuke spacebar. Team Liquid put the illustration, an outline of Sasuke from the box across the top and the sides of that spacebar. You have the three main color tones of the kit, all taken from Sasuke's outfit within the anime. Sasuke, of course, being part of Akatsuki later in the series, with the crossed out symbol of the village of the leaf. You have a number of key novelties right in the base configuration, like the Sharingan symbol on the caps lock key. And you have the Japanese sub-legends, which are a bit different than the first Naruto release, which we'll compare in just a moment. Our keys are produced with dye sublimation heat transfer printing. That's what allows us to get some really intricate detailed line work and the multiple colors on one keycap, which are difficult with other manufacturing methods. Essentially, the caps are injected in a particular color, the film is printed and then transferred by heat onto the PBT keycaps. Note on the legends, they might look white on camera and even in this video, but if you look closely, and especially compared to the back side of a keycap, you'll notice that the white tone on top has a slightly more bluish, purplish hue. This is actually not a injected color, this is a dye subbed color on top of a white cap. And you'll notice the difference between the back side of one cap, which is the white injected plastic, with the specific off-white hue on top. This is, of course, to match that specific shade of white with the more purple and blue tones of the rest of the set. Looking at some of the extra novelty keys, you'll see the specific colors and references to the show here, and Team Liquid with their signature symbol as they themselves join Akatsuki alongside Sasuke. Again, this set is inspired from the Sasuke character within Naruto, taken from his outfit as illustrated in the anime. Now, it's worth looking at this set in comparison to the release of 2021's Akatsuki by Team Liquid, which I have right here on a keyboard. Let's take out a couple keys just to compare the design differences here. Right away, you'll notice the switch from Japanese katakana characters to the hiragana characters on the Sasuke set. Also, in terms of size, the hiragana letters are a bit more scaled down than the larger sub-legends that are basically one-to-one with the main legend on Akatsuki. So a little bit of a more subtle choice on the Sasuke set and not as large and loud as the strong colorway of the Akatsuki one. You'll notice some other subtle design choices as well, like the scaling of some of the novelty keys. Thanks for checking out the set with us. If you want to learn more, please check out Team Liquid's collection and drop. They're gonna have a lot of cool merchandise just like last time. I have the Akatsuki sweatshirt here that I received from the team. And thank you again to Team Liquid for working with us and producing an awesome new key set. Stay tuned for more. There's a lot of great collaborations coming up down the line. But for now, enjoy the Sasuke collection. Have a good one, everyone. I remember there was this one. I haven't watched the anime in so long, but there was some move I gotta rewatch.